Hi everybody, welcome to the Chats with Children. I hope you're safe and well today. I'm delighted to be joined by Katie Chapman, who is Biology Discovery Director at, and this is all a mystery, VC funded startup. And we're not going to learn more about that, unfortunately, but we are going to learn more about ELRIG Drug Discovery 2023 because Katie, in her other role as a volunteer for ELRIG, is actually one of the conference directors for the upcoming event, which will be in Liverpool on October the 18th and 19th. So good morning, Katie. How are you?
Good morning. I'm very well, thank you. Good for a 9 o'clock on a Monday morning.
It is, yeah, exactly. I don't normally ever start my interviews at 9. You're one of the first ones I've done, so there you go. Well, it's lovely to see you. Thank you for taking time out this morning to talk to me about the event. Um, First question, though, for you is for people who are not familiar with drug discovery. Well, no, let me go back. People not familiar with ELRIG, who are ELRIG and what do ELRIG do?
Yeah. So ELRIG are really a UK based community, and well, originally set out as a UK based community in the drug discovery space. So it tended to be more biologists than chemists, but ELRIG has now grown much more than that. And again, it also started around robotics, and now it's really spreading into all parts of drug discovery. But historically, it has some great meetings all around sort of assay biology, cellular technologies, but now it's really expanding beyond that into chemistry and beyond. So yeah, what's fantastic about ELRIG is it's a free to attend meetings. So it really has a fantastic community where everybody gets together and shares ideas.
Fantastic. Now, as I said, you're a volunteer, as are most people who work with ELRIG to put their events on. So from your personal experience, how did you get involved in ELRIG in the first place? And what's your role now within ELRIG?
Yeah. So I think after my PhD, I started at GSK, and I worked for Steve Rees there. So Steve Rees was pivotal in starting up ELRIG, and I think within his group, he was obviously very keen for people to go to this event, or the multiple events that they have. So really, at the beginning of my career, I started going to ELRIG, and I've always been. I think I've probably missed maybe one ELRIG over the last sort of 15 years.
Right.
So for me, it's really been an opportunity just to speak to people about all aspects of the work that I do. So I'm an in vitro pharmacologist by training. So for me, from the technologies to the science to the people that are working there to the sponsors, which are more commercial based, for me, it really helps me be able to advance my job role.
Fantastic. Now, um, for people who are not familiar with Drug Discovery 23, or Drug Discovery, the event, I should say, rather than 2023, you said obviously you've been to loads of events over the last uh, few years, or 15, you said, I think. So, those who are not familiar, what sort of event is it? What does it encapsulate when you run it every year?
Yeah. So we like to have like a core underlying themes that happen each year. So that tends to be around the technologies, around screening, around cellular-based assays. And then over the years, what they've done, they've expanded the sessions. So at the moment, it's 4 sessions on each day. And I think that's risen from maybe 2 or 3 and slowly over time. And what we've tried to then is augment it with other technologies that are coming through, other ways of thinking, and including other areas. So we've expanded it into to chemistry as well now. So we've got a number of fantastic chemistry tracks as well. It's all about collaboration. So again, we've done this through collaborating with other institutes, including Cancer Research Horizon, also working with RSC, SLAS as well. So really, it's that sort of collaborative environment that allows people to be able to access information that helps us drive drug discovery.
And you, as I said at the intro, are actually one of the conference directors, so you are responsible for 2 of the tracks. Before we go into the tracks that you cover, so what are the? It's a bit confused because there's 4 main tracks, but it's actually 8 tracks, but there's 2
Yeah.
each, 4 each day. So, can you just give a quick overview what the main tracks are? Then we can drill down specifically to the tracks you're responsible for.
Yeah, absolutely. So the theme here is diversity in thinking, and really that came about because we had all these different collaborations with these different areas. So on the first day, again, there's our sort of, on each day there will be our core sessions that we've sort of run for years and years, with obviously new scientific content. So there's the cellular technologies, and then there's the screening on the next day. There's the collaborations that we have. So on the first day, there's Cancer Research Horizon, so talking more in breadth about the drug discovery aspects within oncology. We've got a chemistry session, and then a second chemistry session on the next day as well. And then we also have some additional ones. So we have the two that I'm getting involved in. So maybe I can drill down on those now. So
Sure.
one of them is augmenting R&D with A&I. With AI. So this is really about how using different technologies to support existing aspects. So using AI to drive drug discovery. And again, this is very broad session, so hopefully anybody coming along to that from all different levels, so you don't have to know anything about AI, and hopefully you'll learn a little bit about it. If you know a lot about AI, hopefully you'll get some detail from there, or some science from there, novel science from there as well. So hopefully that will appeal to all levels. And then the other one is translating ideas into therapy, so that's on the second day. So here really what we wanted to do is talk about the journey of drug discovery, so getting something into the clinic. So we've got some really fantastic talks across not just small molecules, antibodies as well, CRISPR technology as well, about how they've been able to get something through to the clinic. So that's more, I guess, more in the biotech space, and it's really, I guess, help people to hear about, you know, the challenges. You know, what are the types of things, if you want to do it yourself, what are you going to have to overcome, but also with some really fantastic science content as well.
Brilliant. Now, outside of those talks that you've helped arrange, what are you most looking forward to at Drug Discovery 23 in Liverpool?
Yeah, so I think for me, maybe the transforming cancer drugs discovery. So that, I guess, that's the space that I work in oncology. So I'm really looking forward to seeing some of the exciting stories that they pulled together in that tracker, from a disease perspective. So that's for me where I'm really excited about.
Brilliant. Now, final question. There are going to be some people here who've listened to this and have still not registered. Mad people. So for those people out there who have a bit undecided, why should someone register for Drug Discovery 2023?
Okay. Well, as I said, hopefully what you've got from me is about the community of ELRIG, right? So the community of ELRIG is fantastic. It's all about networking. It's all about coming to see vendors. It's about speaking to other people in the area. There's always, especially for early career professionals, there's some fantastic opportunities to see types of jobs that are available out there. So no matter where you are in your career, I think it's a really fantastic opportunity just to come and be around like-minded people, and everyone's very friendly, and the opportunity to make new networks. So it's a free event, which is always fantastic. So for me, you know, the scientific content aside, which is absolutely brilliant, it's the other aspect, which I think for everybody, you know, I think is a fantastic opportunity just to come and meet people and potentially find some new networks.
Fantastic, Katie. Well, look, thank you for your time this morning. And there you go, viewers. So someone who's been doing it for years, although she doesn't look it, I hasten to add, and you know, spoken like someone who's a true advocate, because they actually actively participate, and now they're actually a conference director for the show. So Katie, thank you very much. So viewers, there you go. If you'd like to know more about Drug Discovery 2023, the link is above this video. Click on that. It's got the full agenda, and as Katie quite rightly said, it's free. So you can register for free, and actually I should also add the food and drink is free as well during the day. So you'll be sustained while you're there listening to all those wonderful talks and meeting these wonderful people all in Liverpool. So don't miss out. Click above and learn more and register if you haven't done so. Katie, it's lovely to see you. Good luck with the planning up to the events. I know it always gets more stressful, particularly when it's not your day job. You've got other things to be worrying about as well, and you're balancing the two. So good luck with that, and hopefully we can meet in person as well and catch up there as well. So viewers, thank you for watching. Hopefully I will see you two in Liverpool as well. And until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.